What's going on, people? It's your boy Vince Geddes, the health insurance guy, where I help individuals, business owners, as well as families build the best health insurance benefits plan that you can find anywhere else, because it is built for you, built by you, and tailored around you and your needs. Thank you so much for coming to my page. Today's topic is going to be something a little outside of health insurance, because I'll always talk about health insurance. If you don't know anything about my business as far as Next Day Health Insurance Consultants, we are a African American owned business. Yes, an African American owned insurance company. I love to market my business. I love to talk about being black owned. I love to go into the community and talk to people like me, because it's a lot of individuals that look like me, melanated, that don't know about life insurance, that don't know about health insurance, that don't know about the different products and services that are available that can help them and that can basically save them from financial catastrophe. If you don't know about my story, my mother had a stroke in her early 40s. I basically seen her lose everything. I had to deal with Social Security. It took like 3 years in order to get her Social Security benefits. They denied her first. But after that 3 years, they gave her a $5,000 lump sum and a $750 monthly benefit. I don't know who the heck could survive off of that. She wasn't able to do that, so she was living with my grandmother. I do not want that to happen to you. I found out later on down the line when a lady came, knocked on my door from Primerica, was talking about life insurance. I was kind of skeptical because I didn't know, she was looking kind of weird, but I let her in though. So when I let her in, she told me that my mother could have been covered for $50 with a critical illness policy. And I was just like, what the hell? People need to know about this type of information. So I got into the insurance business because, number one, I wanted to empower my people in my community, and number two, it's a lot of people out there that are like my mother. My mother was a regular middle-class working individual. She wasn't rich like that because, she just figured, because I don't make enough money, I don't need to speak to a financial advisor. I don't need to speak to a planner. I don't need to prepare for those things. But I will take the advice from HR. I will take the advice from somebody at my job that's going to help me pick the right benefits for myself. And that's what a lot of us do when we get to these jobs. We don't know what to really pick because HR is not obligated to tell you what type of plans to pick, because if something does go wrong, it falls on HR. So they don't tell you that. You just basically play the guessing game. You may flip the coin. You may have a guy that may come and talk about benefits that one day, but after that one day, you never see him again. So, this is why I create this channel, to try to educate people about the different products that are out there. I want to talk to them about critical illness. I want to talk to you guys about disability. I want to talk to you guys about long-term disability, short-term disability. I want to talk about income protection, all of these different types of insurance services that are out here that we don't know about. Again, I pride myself on being a black-owned business, but outside of just being a black-owned business, I'm not just competing with black-owned business. I'm competing with everybody in the world. Because the thing is, I don't look to just compete. I look to dominate a market. I look to dominate where I'm at. I look to dominate the health insurance market, because no one is talking about this, and I want to be the vanguard to talk about this. But more so, I want to bring it not just for African Americans so that they can know about this. I want to talk to Caucasians. I want to talk to Mexicans. I want to talk to Asians. Anybody who got a family, anybody who got a kid, anybody who have assets, they need this service. So this is why I'm here. This is why I shoot these videos. You see, I don't got a super large following at all. You know why? Because taking care of business is not popular. It's not popular. And plus, I don't look like Dave Ramsey at all. And there's nothing wrong with Dave Ramsey and what he do. I heard him talk about some life insurance stuff, some health insurance policies, and some of the stuff he was saying was some bullshit. I'm just being real. It is what it is. I'll bring that video up on a later date, but it's not for me to hate on him. It's for me to give accurate information. This is for my agents that are out there. I am a licensed agent. I'm not some guy that's on TV. I have a license. I have to go to school for this. I have to go through curriculums for this. I'm licensed all over the United States, and I've been doing this for over 13 years. So I love what I do. I love helping people out. I love empowering people, and this is what I love to do. I'm gonna treat your mama like my mama. I'm gonna treat you like my best friend. I'm gonna make sure that you cover when you give me a call. This is what I do. I take this very personal. I take my business very personal, and I want the agents that I work with and the people that work with me to have the same type of compassion and care when it comes to taking care of the person on the other end of the phone, because a lot of us don't know. We just don't know, and I want to make sure that we do know what is available for us in the market. So if you are looking for health insurance, you are looking for life insurance, because I'm going to pass your information on to someone around me that is excellent with life insurance. They're going to tell you about IULs, anything that you need to know about life insurance. They know, they've been doing it for years. We got years on years on years of professionals behind us. But again, my phone number, if you are looking for health insurance, is area code 404-689-2322. That's 404-689-2322. Or just book your appointment with me at www.getnextdayhealth.com. That's www.getnextdayhealth.com. I am licensed all over the United States, but I am based in Atlanta, Georgia, so it doesn't matter where you at. I'm able to find a plan that's going to fit your budget as well as your needs. A little tongue tie right there. I'm on my way to get my gym on. You already know I'm always trying to get my fitness on because I'm all about a healthy body, a healthy mind. And besides me having a healthy body and a healthy mind, I want to make sure that you guys are covered. I want to make sure that you guys are taken care of. And again, I love you so much for coming to my page and taking the time out. And pass this on to somebody who can use it, all right? You know, wherever you at, I'm able to get a plan that's going to fit your budget and your needs. You guys take it easy. It's Vince Geddes, the health insurance guy. Peace.